python-asyncio await on condition being true. I'm trying to write an asynchronous method to run a query on Hive using PyHive. Now, PyHive does support asynchronous querying. I have no idea how to wait for the query to finish without blocking. I can wait for the query to finish by repeatedly checking, but that's basically same as blocking. So I use async, but then I don't know how to await. I tried the below code, but it throws type error column object and can't be used in await expression. Any workarounds? Basically, I want a way where instead of saying await method call, I say await until this condition is true. PS. To clarify, cursor.execute, select asterisk from mutable, async _true, is not asynchronous in the Python sense of returning a coroutine/future. It simply starts a query and immediately returns, and you have to check the state to know whether the query is finished. So await cursor.execute, select asterisk from mutable, async _true won't work.
You would have to actively await. I'm not sure if you can await cursor.execute, select asterisk from mutable, async _true, but if not, just use cursor.execute, select asterisk from mutable, async _true, altog it would make sense to use it there. If it works with await in the execute it, you may not need to use the while loop since it should continue when the execute is finished.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.